In this video, we will see how to interface a motor with Arduino. First, we will see how motor works by connecting it to battery. So, I am creating a new circuit. Just grab a motor and battery and make connections. Hit start simulate. Now in next example, we will try to connect motor to Arduino. Grab a motor and Arduino. I will connect the positive terminal of the motor to pin 4 and negative terminal to ground. In the code section, we can redefine the name of particular pin using hash define command. I will define the name of pin 4 as motor 1. I will use pin 4 as an output. So I can use the name motor 1 instead of 4 whenever necessary. Digital write function with parameter high will set the pin number 4 on logic level high. Start simulation. You can see the motor runs with very low RPM. This is because the motor needs current to work. And the maximum current an Arduino can provide is 40 milliamp, which is very low for the motor to spin with its highest speed. To overcome this problem, we need to use an motor driver IC. The motor driver IC is used along with microcontroller to control the speed of motor. The IC handles high current requirement of the motor. We have L293D motor driver IC in Tinkercad. You will find the datasheet of this IC in the description of this video. Let me do the connection as per datasheet. Just follow the steps for now and I will explain the connections later. The power to pin of an IC is to be connected to 9-volt supply. The enable 1, 2 and enable 3, 4 pins of an IC along with power 1 pin is to be connected to 5 volts of an Arduino. All 4 ground pins are to be connected to ground of Arduino. Out 1, out 2, out 3 and out 4 are output pins which are to be connected to motors. And in 1, in 2, in 3 and in 4 are input pins which are to be connected to Arduino. L293D IC needs PWM signals as input. So I will connect in 1 and in 2 pins to PWM pins of Arduino, pin number 9 and 10. In the code section, first I will define pin number 9 and 10 as MTRF and MTRB, that is motor forward and motor backward for my convenience. When MTRF is kept high and MTRB is kept low, the motor will spin in forward direction and vice versa. I will define pin 9 and 10 as output pins. Initially, I am keeping pin number 9 as low and 10 as high to check the circuit is correct or not. Start simulation. The motor is spinning with highest RPM. Now let's see how to control the speed of motor. I will need an potentiometer which I will read from pin number A0 and write to pin number 10. See the previous LED video for reference. Start simulation. Yes, the speed of motor is changing with changing potentiometer. You can do some changes in code to allow motor spin in both the directions.